Hello guys, I am Roosevelt, and in this video, I'll be showing how to create a blend effect in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. First thing that I'll do is press Shift Command U or Command Shift U. That's if you're on Mac, it's Command Shift U. But then if you are using Windows, it's Control Shift U, and then you should be having something like this. So after getting this, just go to Filter, Blur, and then select Gaussian Blur. Over here, set the blur radius to 5.6 pixels and just click on OK. Nice. Now press Command Shift S or Control Shift S to save as. Over here, change the format from JPEG to Photoshop file. We are saving it as a Photoshop file. And then let's change the name to displacement. And then just click on save to save it. With mine, I have already saved it, so I won't save it again. I'll just cancel mine. When you're done, press Command Z or Control Z multiple times to get back to the previous image with the green one. Yeah, something like this, okay? Then what we'll do next is to select your type tool and then type out it. So I'll be going with blend effect. Then I'll just enlarge it. So something like this is okay for me. And I'll place mine in the middle of my worksheet. Okay, let me enlarge it again. So yeah, something like this is okay for me. Nice. So after adding your text, right click on your text layer and then select Convert to Smart Object. Nice. Now what we do is go to Filter, Distort, and then select Displacement. Over here, set the horizontal scale to 10, set the vertical scale also to 10, make sure the stretch to fit is checked, make sure repeat edge pixels is also checked, and then the embedded file data in Smart Object should also be checked. And just click on OK. Now Photoshop is asking you to open a Photoshop file. And remember we saved one file as displacement, so here's mine. I'll select it and then click on open to open it. Nice. So now we could all see that the displacement effect has been applied onto our text layer over here. So now let's continue. With the text effect selected, click on FX and select blending options. Let me push this to the right side, so I think something like this is okay. So over here, we'll be working with the underlying layer, the black one, this side, the left one. So hold down your Option or Alt key. If you're on Mac, it's Option, but then if you're on Windows, it's Alt. So hold down your Option or Alt key, left click and hold to split, and then drag it to the right side. So I'll be going with let's say 38. For this side is 38. Then I'll release the Option or Alt key, left click this side, and also drag it to the right. So I'll also be going with 8. So here is this side is 8 and then this side is 38. And click on OK. So now you can see that our text has taken the effect on our fabric over here, and you can still move it around and it will still take the effect of the fabric. So I will be placing mine in the middle. So yeah, so this is okay for me. And you can also change the text or change the color. If you want to change the color, with the text layer selected, this click on FX and select color overlay, and you can change your colors. You can change it to any color that you want. But with mine, I prefer using the white. Yes, and then let's say if you want to change the text over here, just double click this side and then you get access to change the text. So let's go with okay, let's go with blessings. Nice. And then press Command S or Control S to save. Go back to the main worksheet there. You see that we've been able to change the text whilst the effect is still active. So I'll just press Command Z or Control Z to undo it because I want mine to be in the blend effect text. Yes, so this is it. Okay guys, so this is how to easily create a blend effect in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment and share with others. See you in the next video.